Hi everyone, I am Coach Narendra and I run my Coach Narendra Academy where I train about the soft skills and mind power and neuro-linguistic programming. So I have completed my NLP Basic Practitioner and Master Practitioner, and I was in a journey to understand NLP in detail. And when I went to Conscious Solutions, Dr. Doris and their team did a wonderful job. So 12 days learning was amazing, where we have learned a lot of tools and a lot of techniques, how to conduct NLP training and what are the things that a coach needs to have in order to conduct a beautiful training, how to structure and how to design, how to set instructions and how to frame our outcomes and exactly how exercise needs to be followed. Everything was awesome. And I would recommend everybody who is interested to go for NLP and want to become an NLP trainer. Conscious Solutions and Dr. Doris are awesome, and they always give a hands-on experience of all the exercises where we just go and learn and just implement and then become an excellent NLP trainer. So I recommend everybody, which the experience which I had is amazing. Now I am very confident and I am very much equipped with all the tools and techniques which I can use in my NLP training and other trainings as well. And thank you so much for the Conscious Solutions and Dr. Doris and their team. They're doing an amazing job in India. And thank you so much for all the love and all the support. Thank you so much.